We back.
We're back, guys.
Reacting to Family Guy Most Offensive Joke compilation.
Yes, it's
I don't
not
think this
for
is gonna
snowflakes.
get to me. So let's see. I think these are gonna be mild.
All right, men, this is Harry the homosexual. Say hi to everyone, Harry.
Hi, fellas. I sure do love being gay.
Harry's choice of lifestyle is wrong, so we're gonna beat him up for it. Now, take these baseball bats and get to it. All right, good so far. No, don't use the bats like that. No, don't use them like that either. All right, look, just put him down and use your fists.
No,
not like that.
She's beautiful. Isn't she, sweetheart?
She sure is, Joe. It's hard to believe she's already 18.
Quagmire needs to be chained and killed. There's no redeeming thing to him. It's over.
Hey there, sweetie. How old are you?
16.
18? You're first.
Mom!
I like where this is going. Giggity, giggity, giggity.
Oh, I hired a math tutor and a driver's ed guy. Okay, so do you use my car, or do you have like a special one you brought?
I'm the math tutor.
Really? No way. So that means you're the...
Driver's ed instructor, yes.
Well, I'll be a son of a gun. All right. Time to learn math from a black guy, I guess.
Bing bong, thank you for invite.
Oh, of course. Please come in.
Hey, Brian, I bet he thinks you're what's for dinner.
Come on, that's a racist stereotype.
So, when do we eat though?
I am ready for my evening.
Oh my God, Peter, what the hell?
Peter, what are you doing?
Oh, surely, Jerome, you don't want to stay in the same house as a ghost who carries a torch around.
Oh.
Fire ghost. Oh, you scared yet? Didn't know this place was haunted, did you?
Peter!
Gentlemen, I give you the Asian. Ooh. Compact, hairless, and fiercely intelligent. The penises, while tiny, are extremely efficient. We're projecting 10 billion within 5 years. Also, there'll be different varieties that will all hate each other for some reason.
Do they eat just like regular food?
No, the opposite. May I help you?
Yes, 1950s, Doctor. Me and my friends are looking for...
You're friends with a Negro and a cripple? This man is insane. Take him away.
Now, wait a second. You can't do that to
A
him.
Negro speaking up to a white person? This man is insane.
Now, look, I don't think...
All cripples are insane. Euthanize this man. Something I can help you with?
Yeah, you got any brain-dead women in there you let people have sex with for a few bucks?
Sure, come on back.
Your powers are weak, old man.
Just disgusting.
Boy, you got here just in time.
On your marks, get set, white guys, go!
I have high hopes for this. I had a Cliff Bar before we started.
Everybody else!
Phew, thought they were coming after us.
Dude, bad news. You're dead.
What? But I'm deaf.
Sorry, dude. Super deaf. You're done.
So, what now? I go to heaven?
No. When a deaf dies, he gets reincarnated. You're being reincarnated as a Chinese baby right now. Girl?
Girl.
Come on. Do math.
Ah, just kidding. As you are aware, Asians are known for their great sense of humor, and enormous genitalia, and respect for non-Asians, and for being polite. Now, give me big American food, you fat, ugly, Kojak Bang Bang American fatsouls.
Now, did you get a look at the man who assaulted you?
I did.
Okay, can I get a description?
Yeah, he was probably around 5'9", 5'10".
Which is it, 5'9" or 5'10"?
I'd say 5'10".
Okay, we'll go 5'9" and a half. Now, how old was he?
Late 30s, maybe 37. I don't know, anywhere between 35 and 40.
Okay, well, let's say 37. How about ethnicity?
Yeah, he was Asian American.
Asian American. We talking Korean? We talking Thai? We talking Vietnamese?
Maybe Korean. Could have been Japanese, but I think Korean.
Okay, Korean. Now, how about identifying characteristics? Any marks, piercings?
He may have had a tattoo.
He may have had a tattoo? Did have a tattoo? Which one was it?
I don't know. It all happened so fast.
You know what? It's fine. I have a preliminary sketch here. Is this the man who assaulted you?
Package for Glenn Quagmire.
Oh, excuse me.
What the
I got a
fuck?
package for you, too. All right. Nice try, but I built up an immunity.
It's an old boyfriend of mine.
What?
Oh, sorry, I was out of it. Wait, are we being robbed?
Happy New Life, and we'll have equal rights for all. Except blacks, Asians, Hispanics, Jews, gays, women, Muslims. Everybody who's not a white man. And I mean white. So no Italians, no Polish. Just people from Ireland, England, and Scotland. But only certain parts of Scotland and Ireland. Just full-blooded whites. No, you know what? Not even whites. Nobody gets any rights. America.
Mailman!
Me?
No, the other black guy in shorts. Yes, you. Here.
Well, you, sir, are a racist, and a rude one at that.
So, you're not a mailman?
Okay, yes, I am a mailman, but these are my 1983 Maurice Cheeks shorts.
Okay, you're good to go.
Bang chick with epilepsy. God, that's crazy. What the fuck?
Everything is seizing.
Quagmire's fucked up, bro.
But yeah, that was Family Guy most offensive joke compilation. Not for snowflakes. It was a good video. It was a good video. Though a lot of the clips he had already reacted. He had already reacted to most of these.
Everything is seasoning.
But yeah, please like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you for sticking with us for this long.